and welcome to this short webinar on CATIA Function-Driven Generative Design. In order to be competitive in today's market, design engineers are being required to minimize part weight, maximize stiffness, reduce cost, and optimize material usage. Additionally, along with this is the need to provide the new aesthetics that customers are demanding. Because of this, the design world is rapidly changing, and so are the processes involved. Science-based physics design is producing new materials and new machines to make the once impossible or difficult using conventional approaches possible. However, it's often cost prohibitive to explore these optimized parts due to the difficulty of collaborating across disciplines and using all the different systems and tools that are required. This individual silo approach can cause huge delays and errors in data translation. Optimization has traditionally required experts and has not been available to designers. With niche optimization tools, creating real geometry which can be reused and matured is a long, drawn-out, and error-prone process. For most engineers, it's too time-consuming to create and validate multiple concepts to select from. The result can be uncompetitive, suboptimal products. The CATIA Function-Driven Generative Designer role answers these challenges with a new intuitive workflow which allows non-specialist designers to automatically generate conceptual parts from a functional specification. You can start by using CATIA's built-in direct modeling to create a basic shape model or a defeatured dumb model imported from other systems. A quick in-context check allows you to evaluate the functionality of the primitive shape. Then simply provide the functional specification, including the material, allocated space, mechanical interferences, the loading scenario, weight reduction target, and the desired manufacturing process. The functional generative assistant makes the whole process simple. First, select the functional regions, then easily create meshes. Next, simply set up analysis and apply loads, targets, and constraints, and target weight reduction or other types of criteria, such as maximizing stiffness. A push of the button runs the simulation and generates the optimized concept shape. The part can then be comprehensively validated in the context of the previously defined specification. It's easy for the non-expert to create expert results. You can then create multiple variants, and the Variant Manager allows comparison and trade-off studies by varying the inputs such as different weight reduction targets, load cases, constraints, and manufacturing processes such as molding, forging, machining, and additive manufacturing. This allows you to compare and assess the resulting mass and other key performance indicators to select the best concept. This means better products due to optimization and increased number of evaluated concepts. Because of the seamless integration across all disciplines within the 3D Experience platform, the part can then be comprehensively refined, validated, and completed collaboratively and in context. Simulations can run to assure part strength and deformations are within tolerance. Real geometry can be rapidly created using CATIA's integrated modeling tools to define cross-section profiles and then seamlessly combine the geometry to create definable and modifiable specification-driven manufacturable models for either traditional or additive manufacturing processes. View the results in the design review to help choose the best solution and manufacturing solution to fit your needs. The resulting digital continuity means no loss due to data translation. Using solid geometry throughout allows for very quick updates in case of a design change. With Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform, this continuity is maintained throughout the entire process from design, simulation, through to manufacturing. So to summarize, CATIA delivers a unique functional generative design solution that increases productivity in an integrated set of lean and flexible process-driven capabilities. An intuitive workflow assistant guides each step. You can either model or import and defeature data from any CAD system. Apply loads, boundary conditions, and connections. There's an extensive optimization setup capabilities for frequency, displacement, stress, and manufacturing constraints. Density map display can be adjusted to refine the result and obtain an exact conceptual body. You can easily validate the structural behavior of concepts. Create variants to explore, compare, and assess different configurations against KPIs and select the best concept. CATIA's best-in-class detailed modeling simplifies part refinement. You can reuse the analysis to validate the design at all stages of the process. All of these benefits combine to make CATIA a unique solution that delivers a real competitive advantage to address today's market needs. That brings us to the end of this short webinar, and we hope you found it useful.